Introducing the Freego Shotgun Flash F3 Pro Max electric bike, where power, performance, and sustainability unite. Equipped with a cutting-edge 2,640-watt dual battery motor, this bike conquers distances of up to 103 miles on a single charge and speeds of up to 28 miles per hour. Whether you're upgrading your daily commute or redefining your weekend adventures, the F3 Pro Max is the perfect companion. Experience a smooth and safe ride thanks to hydraulic brakes and front/rear suspension, perfect for city streets and rugged terrain alike. Stay informed with the intuitive LCD, giving you real-time updates on your ride, because knowledge is power. Join the movement towards a cleaner planet. Reduce your reliance on fossil fuels while enjoying a greener commute. Plus, enjoy free USA shipping. Your Freego Shotgun Flash F3 Pro Max will be packed and shipped within 1 to 3 business days, delivered right to your door in just 5 to 10 business days. Don't wait. Your independence is just one ride away. Contact our team today at 1-844-7-175-044 or visit our website to place your order. Shop now. Freego Shotgun Flash F3 Pro Max at Saxby Wholesale. Don't miss out. Upgrade your ride today.